Hope all you are well in this pandemic situation. This is Tanya Afroz, lecturer, Department of Agriculture, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Let's start today's lecture.
Today we are going to discuss about experiment number 8, which is observation and identification of medicinal plant. Basically, here we are going to identify different kind of medicinal plant. After completing this lecture, we can easily identify some kind of medicinal plant and also can know some importance of this or some benefits of this kind of medicinal plant. And also we can write experiment number 8 in our practical notebook. Let's start experiment number 8 with its principle. Basically, principle of experiment number 8 is what is medicinal plant or definition of medicinal plant. So, the plant of environment which is made for reducing the disease of us is known as medicinal plant. Now we are going to discuss about what kind of materials we need for conducting this experiment. Firstly, we need different parts of different medicinal plants, then scissor, then notebook and pencil. Now we are going to discuss about the working procedure of identification on or observation of medicinal plant. For conducting this procedure, firstly we collect different kind of stem, leaf, root, flower or fruit of medicinal plant from nearby place of our school. Then we separate this collected from parts in a secure place. After that, we watching the collected parts to supplied figure of textbook justification. Here we see different kind of medicinal plant. First one is leaf of Thankuni. Thankuni is used for the act of curing intestinal disease of children, specially to control indigestion and dysentery. Besides, Thankuni is lifespan increaser, memory increaser, and healer of skin disease. Middle one is tulsi. Here we see the flowers and leaf of tulsi plant. Generally juice of tulsi leaf is very useful for curing influenza and diphtheria. Tulsi leaf juice mixing with ginger juice and honey is fed to small children. And the last one is flower and stem of kalomag plant. The juice of kalomag plant is a very effective medicine for curing fever of children, indigestion and liver trouble. Here we see another three very important kind of medicinal plant. Left side one is bohera, middle one is amla or amlokhi, right side one is horitoki. Fruits of these three plant is called altogether triphala. First one, which is bohera. Here we see the fruits of bohera. Bohera is one of the fruit of triphala. If one or two inner part of the seed, like groundnut, is eaten by biting at 2 hours interval and twice in a day, asthma disease is cured. It is beneficial to eat bohera crush with water in the morning and evening. Fruits of bohera are used in stomach disease, piles, hard motion, diarrhea, and fever. Fruits are the effective medicine for heart, lungs, nose, throat disease, and indigestion. The oil obtained from seed keep the head cool and control hair falling. Middle one is fruits of amla or amloki fruits. Amla or amloki fruits is used for uh, skin disease, jaundice, diabetes, hair falling, etc. Juice of amla leaves or anola leaves preventing of dysentery and tonic. Fruits are rich in vitamin and one of the fruit of triphala. Juice of fruit is beneficial for curing liver, stomach disease, indigestion and diphtheria. The last picture is the fruit of Horitiki. Uses of fruit of Horitiki is vast. As a herbal medicine, Horitiki is one of the fruits of Triphala. Using crush of Horitiki fruits with salt, piles disease can be controlled. If Horitoki crush is smoke inserting in pipe, asthma disease can be controlled. If Horitoki crush is used with sugar and water, conjunctive disease of eye gets well. Green fruits are used in dysentery. Ripened fruits are used in anemia, pancreatic disease, heart disease, pneumonia disease, and throat injury. Fruit kush is also used to control dental disease. Horitoki increases strength, viability, and control sensitivity. Here in left side picture we see the flowers of bashok. It is mostly used in curing diphtheria. Taking juice of bashok leaf, mixing with ginger juice and honey in equal portion is very effective. Middle one we see the picture of flowers of Sarpagandha plant. The juice of Sarpagandha root and leaf is used to high blood pressure. It is also used in treatment of madness. And the last one is the leaf of Arjun plant. Leaf, bark and fruit and wood of this plant can be used as a medicinal purpose. The juice of green leaves is used in curing dysentery. If Arjun bark by well, mashing is used at every morning with sugar and milk. All heart disease get well. If anybody has low blood pressure, can be controlled by using Arjun bark. Using juice of bark, stomach disease and piles are cured. By taking bark mash with milk, blood dysentery get well. By applying the crush of Arjun bark on the face, mixing with honey, mesta spot is disappeared. We see the last two picture of our today's experiment. That is, left side one is Nishinda, leaf of Nishinda plant, which is mostly used for cold disease, and right side one is the fruits of Telakucha. The extract of stem and leaf of this plant is extensively used in the treatment of diabetes. If we follow the proper working procedure or properly follow the procedure of identify medicinal plant, then what we are going to observe, we are going to observe different kind of medicinal plant we find after our observation, that is thankuni, tulsi, bashok, sarpagandha, arjun, horiteki, bahera, nishinda, telakucha, sarpagandha, etc. Now we are going to discuss what proper precaution we need to conducting this experiment properly. That is, it was notified that the collection part of plants were done carefully. Whenever we collected part carefully, then we can easily identify and observing different kind of medicinal plant. Now we are going to discuss about how will you write your practical or your experiment in your practical copy. Here we see a content which having serial number, date, name of the experiment, page number, initial and remarks. In serial number section, you write the serial number of your experiment. In date section, you write when your experiment is conducting, and name of the experiment section, you write the name of your experiment. Page number section, you write how many pages you require for completing this experiment. And last one is initial and remarks, which is totally for your respected teacher. Here we see a page of a practical notebook where a student write his experiment, required experiment. In name of the experiment, name of the experiment section, student write the name of his required experiment, and experiment number section, student write the number of his required experiment. Page number section, student write the page number, and date section, student write the date when he or she conducted his required experiments. And whole of the page is written by a student with a principle, necessary element, a working procedure and observation, and whole of the experiment is written by a black color point, which is very appreciable. Here we see the second phase of this experiment, where students draw all of the medicinal plants which we discussing before. That is Thankuni, Tulsi, Kalumek, Bashok, Sharpagandha, Urjun, Bohera, Horitoki, Amluki, Nishinda, and Telakocha. And here is the last phase of this experiment where students write only the precaution of this experiment. This is all about today's lecture. Stay home, stay safe, use mask whenever you are outside, maintain social distance, wash your hand frequently. Thanks to all.